everybody. Are you ready to go Easter egg hunting? Yeah! Okay, first one who finds the most eggs at the end of the time wins automatically. But the first one who finds the green eggs wins a surprise. Oh, a surprise? What's the surprise? What's the surprise? It wouldn't be a surprise if I told you now, would it? No. Well, let's go find this Easter egg! Yeah! 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 Easter egg! Huh. You're doing so good.
Any eggs? I can't find any. Where are they? Oh, the green egg! I found the green egg.
What? You got the green egg?